He's a closer for the New York Yankees. He's a pitcher, incredible athlete. And so a lot of attention was paid to what was happening up in Cooperstown, New York this weekend.
I missed that because I was out at Cayuga Lake.
Yes,
so I tried to put away the cell phone, turn off the TV, and enjoy nature. I was out on the lake. You know. I brought my mister that you gave me on Friday, my hat that I was sporting with Linda for On the Road show. I brought that out too. So I was jumping in the water. It was busy out there.
Bet.
The boats, water skis. I'm swimming in the water. Like, this water's pretty choppy with all the wind. I'm like, wait, the boat's leaving me behind. But it was such a great time.
So we have another great time coming up this week. Lord knows what we'll do. But what we will do first is take a quick break. And as we do that, take a look out over the lake because, again, we are expecting some rain for today. Aww. So be prepared for that. But not as hot. Not as hot out there.
Little break.
Yeah. Linda's Hairstyles, courtesy of Our Salon. Make Our Salon your salon. Transit Road, Williamsville. Well, if you're like me, you're always up for a nice round of golf. Well, Shell Ridge is a great course with so many amenities. Courtney Corbetta was there with today's Super Savings Deal of the Day.
Now that the warm weather is here, why not swing into the summer at the Shell Ridge Country Club? Joining us out in Medina this morning is manager Brett Decker and assistant golf pro Jeremy Anderson. Good morning to the two of you gentlemen.
Good morning.
Located on 140 beautiful acres, you must love coming to work every day. I know I would.
Yeah, no, well, we have a great golf course here, kind of in the middle of nowhere, but you know, we're fortunate to have 245 members and a great challenging golf course.
You are a full-service private golf facility. Talk to us about your course and what you offer.
As I said, we're a private golf course, and we offer many leagues. We have outside tournaments. You know, we probably have about 10 to 12 outside tournaments of golf during the course of the year. And we service probably anywhere from 10 to 12 outside tournaments too. So we're just a great golf facility with a range, full service restaurant, full service pro shop, great assistant pro who gives golf lessons. It's just a great place to be around.
Sounds like you keep pretty busy here throughout the summer.
Yes, we do. I mean, we average anywhere between 15 and 20,000 rounds, obviously weather permitting. But it's just a great atmosphere every single day. And, you know, including our junior program, we just have a great bunch of people here.
I also understand that the course is pretty challenging. Jeremy, you're the pro.
Yeah, you definitely got to keep it below the hole. You'll find that out real quick. We have the fastest greens in the area, and it's just a good challenge for everybody.
So talk to us about some of your leagues. Just say you're not the greatest golfer. Can you help someone out?
Yes, absolutely. We have all fun leagues. We have a women's league on Wednesday night that's open to women, and that's all levels of play. Our men's league is actually filled up. We have 76 golfers. And then our couples league is just kind of a fun couples league. We run a junior program as well during the course of the summer. So we're actually able to facilitate any type of golfer.
And I also understand that some of your young golfers are very talented here and call this place home.
Yeah, we actually have we have a couple outstanding golfers, but we have two in particular. One is Mel Green, who's a two-time state girls golf champion who just participated in the National PGA Junior National Tournament where she finished sixth and was actually leading with 11 holes to go. And then we have a boy named Ian Wagner as well that travels all over the state and was the co-medalist in this year's New York State local public high school for Section 6.
Wow, that's unbelievable. That's awesome.
Yeah, and actually, Mel and Ian are probably the two best golfers at the club, minus maybe a few other ones, but they're just unbelievable kids. They're better kids than they are golfers.
I love it. Nice, healthy competition for you, Jeremy, but I know everybody doesn't have the greatest golf game. Do you offer private lessons?
I do. I offer lessons to any level, beginner to advanced. I went to school in Myrtle Beach at the Golf Academy of America, so I got a good knowledge on all types of things that can help you help.
Why do you believe Western New Yorkers choose Shell Ridge? Why do they like to come here?
I think affordability is the number one reason. We're probably the most affordable private golf club, at least from the Buffalo area north. There's some courses down south, and it's very challenging. I mean, you look out there and you kind of say, oh, it looks pretty open, but as Jeremy said, our greens are very, very difficult. And it's just a great place to play for the price.
It's a place that's definitely going to put your skills to the test. So if anyone interested at home listening in right now wants to come out and become a member, what should they do?
First of all, you can always call the golf shop. Our telephone number is 585-798-0391, or go to our website, www.shellridge.com. jed.cc.com. Or, if you want to come and try the place first, just call and we'll get you on. And you can try the course, and then we hope you like it.
All right. Sounds like a plan to me. Sounds pretty simple. Thank you to Jeremy and Brett for joining us this morning. All right, everybody. All I need is my golf clubs, and I'm ready to get out here on the course and have some fun out here in Medina at the Shell Ridge Country Club. Make sure to take advantage of this daily deal. It's a $98 value for just $49 at the Shell Ridge Country Club. All you have to do is visit ss7.wkbw.com.
Thank you, Courtney. Well, let me ask you this. If you slip and fall and hurt yourself, do you have a case? You may not know unless you call Jed. Attorney Jed Dietrich is back with good information on how he and his office can help in this kind of situation. Good morning and welcome back.
Great to see you again, Linda.
Good to see you,
Always
sir.
my pleasure, really.
I feel bad for people who slip and fall because,
Absolutely.
you're shopping or you're this or you're that or you're visiting and bang, you go down and it happens like that.
What I like to talk about here, Linda, is what we're here to do for the people who get injured. We're here to help them through the process and also to make the circumstance where they fell safer. So you talk about personal injury lawyers and what they do. They help people recover for their injuries, compensation. But we also try to make the place where they fell or the society a safer place. Mm-hmm. And if you look at the statistics in terms of what personal injury lawyers do, they help make the world a better place, a safer place. So we've had many cases where people are in their apartment building and the railing to the stairs may be loose, and they complain to their landlord, and the landlord doesn't fix it. And then a week or two later, their guest is over, and they fall down. Now, that's something people don't understand. You can actually make a claim against your own landlord and their insurance company to be reimbursed for your pain and suffering and for your medical bills. The other thing is the broken concrete and sidewalk type cases. We have many of those with the older folks in our community here where they're out trying to get some exercise and it's a broken sidewalk and people knew it was bad and they fall on that. It's a loose stone or something and the injuries are terrible.
Yeah.
I mean, the fall down injuries, especially if you're a little older, can be the broken bones requiring surgery with sometimes inpatient care and then a nursing home. So we're here to help you under those circumstances.
Jed, does the court force them to fix the problem?
Well, the court doesn't, and what the remedy there is you make the claim against the landowner. Landowner has insurance, and that insurance company comes in, and they go out and take a look at the property, and typically they will say, we will not insure you in the future unless you correct this right now. Again, it goes back to what I do as a lawyer, trying to protect my clients and other people in society from further injuries, because if we weren't there to hold people accountable, then they wouldn't correct it.
Right.
So the insurance companies, if there's a problem with the landlord and it's a persistent problem, then they won't be able to get insurance, or the rates will be so high.
So what can we do? If this happens and you slip and fall, what should someone do?
Well, the first thing they need to do is evaluate their medical situation and call an ambulance if it's very serious. We need pictures of where it happened so that we can prove the case as evidence, and then you can call us at 839-3939. We're here to help you. We'll help you get to the right doctors. We'll help people get their medical bills paid. When bills come in, there's a provision on many insurance policies. It's called a medical pay provision. And that allows medical bills to be paid as the case goes on. So it makes it a little easier for folks if they have a copay. We will work with Medicare. So if it's an older person and Medicare pays, we will deal with Medicare, see what was paid by Medicare, and make sure that they're compensated so people can have Medicare in the future.
All right, so there you go. And last week, Jed brought up a really good point. What to do if you get injured in a car that's an Uber or a Lyft. Things I never thought about. But you know what? Now we have the answer to that. You call Jed. Call Jed.com. And call even if you're not sure, because sometimes those nagging injuries can come back and bite you. Call Jed.com and get an expert's opinion, because that's exactly who they are. Fashions for AM Buffalo hosts are courtesy of Lord & Taylor, conveniently located at the Galleria Mall in Cheektowaga.
There's just something about cozying up to a fire on a cool summer night. And here at Black Hat Chimney and Fireplace, they do it best. We would like to welcome owner Bob Kladke to the show. Bob, I should have brought my marshmallows.
Well, we're ready for them right now.
All right, let's do it. We'll start making s'mores. But first, I want to start off, a fireplace is much more than a heater.
Right. One of the things we ask a lot of people is, what's your dream for Christmas Eve day when you're sitting there opening your presents with your family? Do you want to be sitting in front of the fireplace with the fire going, unwrapping and creating moments for your entire family?
It's the focal point of a home, a place that brings friends and family together, and also the outside of your home as well. You can create a nice outdoor living area.
And we just happen to be sitting outside today. We have outdoor fireplaces and fire pits that you can sit around and talk and have a beverage or two.
Yeah, I know. Check this place out, right? But Bob, let's talk about your story. You started as an employee and now you're an owner. How have you watched this place evolve throughout the years?
Well, it's been quite a ride. When I first got here, I thought it'd be like a 1 or 2 year job, and now it's like 35 years later. Started off just doing some chimneys and doing some fireplaces. And then in 1997, I purchased the business from my former partner. And we've been working with customers, developing relationships with the customers so that what they would like to create in their home becomes a piece of furniture and stays with them for 20 years. We're working basically on a referral basis where we want to make sure they're happy, and part of our mission statement is actually we want to treat your home like our home. And trust me, my employees know what my home's like.
And you offer so many different options for Western New Yorkers. Anything you can think of for your outdoor or indoor living area?
Pretty much anything you desire, we can pretty much do. And it's all done in-house. There's nothing, subcontractors aren't included. We build it, we design it, we put it together, and we make sure you understand it and operate it the way it's supposed to be operated.
Sounds like you're pretty busy here at Black Hat Chimney and Fireplace. You've recently renovated the place.
Yeah, we did the entire inside and outside completely over to show some different designs. We've incorporated electric fireplaces along with all the gas fireplaces. We're looking to have a grand reopening right after Labor Day and invite a bunch of our previous customers in. All our employees are going to be here. Actually, the 2 dogs will be here too to visit with everybody. And I believe there's going to be some grilling involved.
I'm telling you, there really is just so much to see right when you walk into Bob's place. So many ideas. I'm just brainstorming already.
We'd be happy to come over to your house and show you exactly what we can do for you.
Bob, when it comes to your outdoor living area, what's trending this time of year?
The biggest thing is fireplaces and gas fireplaces, wood fireplaces. We're doing a wood fireplace currently for a customer in West Seneca. And by the time that's done, which will be next month, we'll have pictures here of it, and it's amazing. A lot of fire pits, too. A lot of fire pits.
Yeah, there definitely is a lot to see. Well, Bob, thank you so much. I'm nice and warm and toasty and loving every second of it.
You're welcome. You have a good day today.
Some of the fondest memories are made around the fireplace, and here at Black Hat Chimney and Fireplace, you can start making memories today.